cousin Kynsley. We literally do collabs literally almost every video. So I just wanted to say we're doing last to leave the boat, or not. I wish we could, but the next video we will. So I'm gonna set the camera so that you can see literally everywhere. I wish I could. Oh, you can put it back here. Back there. So you basically, whatever we're doing in this boat, you get to watch. So this is our first. I like taking it fast forward, guys. Yeah. Yeah. We're gonna try though. So this is our first hour here in the boat. This will be an hour long. Trust me. One of us is gonna have to leave. One of us is gonna leave after 1 hour. Yeah, I swear one of us is gonna leave. Also, I forgot my YouTube channel. I forgot about continuing to talk. We brought our iPads and some soda. That's all that we have. But our iPads we have to use to record. So that's to be us. Yeah, we can't do really. And then we got our rip-off fishing pole. Let's just fish real quick. Let me just fish. Wait, I know I can fish. I'm gonna do a little fishing edit. I'm gonna do an edit. Oh, yeah. Let's just pretend we're fishing and just yeah. That would be super funny. Oh, look, he got a fish. Yeah, I caught a fish. Fish, guys. Oh, I fell. Here's my fish, boys. Here's my fish. Hey, I'm gonna go fishing, y'all. So, here's my little fish. Watch me go fishing, y'all. Hey, let me show it to my viewers. Thank you. Okay, you get it. I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. Actually, give me the fish so I can show it to my channel. Oh, guys, I just caught a fish. Yo, what the? Hey, it's my fish. I can eat it. Hey, I catched it first, and I put it back in the water. I gave you the fish. You gave me the pole. Actually, it's opposite. Yo. Hey guys, this is the fish that I caught before Kynsley. And she's done. 2 minutes. I swear. It's only been 3 minutes. It's only been like 2 minutes. It's only been 2 minutes, or actually 3 minutes. Mine's at 2. Mine's at 3. I'm feeling perfectly fine, but I know later in the day I'm gonna get sick and tired and get really angry. I don't know about you, but if you had to stay in a boat, it would be pretty easy because you have food, every essential that you normally have. But no, we don't have any. All we have is soda. Yeah, and our iPads, which we can't use to play on. We can, but they wouldn't be able to see anything. One of us would, the other wouldn't. And we have to take turns. I'm going to show you some gymnastics moves on my camera. Because I'm just going to do some... I can't do somersaults, which makes me disappointed. Yeah, then I'll somersault off the boat and get injured. And there's no chance. Yo, I'm trying to film the entire room. Hey, look at my chair. Yeah, we all got chairs. Excuse me, Rusty. It's not for being a chair. Wait. It's for showing our viewers the whole entire thing. Yeah, we are going to give you guys a tour. We can't do that. It doesn't work. He's going to give you guys a tour. Yeah, this is... So, okay. First we have the chairs. So... Dun. This has nothing. Just sit down. And let me just. If I could open this lid. Okay. And we have where you drive. And then we have the seat that have Mamacita. Then you go here for your eyes to the gymnastics, but
minute
And you can lay down
change.
here, like, chill in the nice seat. And have a nice day. Who's gonna leave first?
I'll go get your water ready.
Mommy.
Dude, we're not even winning anything, but I don't want to be there first one.
Me neither. We're not winning anything. I'm no sour loser. How about Joel? I'm never losing.
Unless you want to get crazy.
I'm sitting down. I don't know if you can see like.
Guys, I'm so sorry, but literally every time we do a video, Anthony stops us. So,
You're just gonna sit down.
doesn't let us make YouTube videos.
So
Have
I'm gonna
fun.
make another video that's after my bath. And I'm gonna delete this one. So love y'all.
Yeah, this doesn't count. Bye.
Bye.